Fat Roman y un tic. Forever home. Amo una closca enorme, indestructible pero autodestructible. Rollo cargol. Flixbus crew entering the bus and I'm thinking in you. I look at the sky and I see your face, your smile, with some teeth saying I love you. Flixbus crew, okay, I'm not again. Into this building I feel alone. Into these four walls I say okay. At least I have some paper and something to draw. Forever home. And I say yes, and you say no. Maybe we could go alone together. And I say yes, and you say no. Maybe we could go and say goodbye to the world, and take some flowers and some sippings of water, and say okay, it's not the end, it's not the end.